The 2015 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel controls, speed control, radio data system, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.